guys, come with me to Karura Forest. We've already gotten inside, and yeah, hello. So here we are walking towards the forest. Straight is inside, deep into the forest. Then there are two diverts from from the right and from the left. So we divert to the left where there is a badminton pitch. Is it badminton or long tennis? I think it's badminton, yeah. And there is also a place for parking here and picnics in case you're that kind of a person. You see, if you're not kind of a person who likes walking into the forest, maybe you can indulge yourself in the badminton play. And here, this is how it looks. So very beautiful. And this is the right side where there is a cafe. In here you can grab a coffee, juices, or food before you get deep into the forest. And here we are. Have you ever come across this TikTok that says, between these two doors, which one are you drawn to the most? So I was in that situation, and apparently this is what that caught my eye. I was attracted to this one. It looked like a movie thing. It gave me a movie vibe. Here's me and my coffee. I'd already grabbed my coffee from the cafe. And yeah, here we are. I'd say Karura offers different attractions like picnic sites, Mau Mau caves, marked walking trails, scenic waterfalls, and rivers. Like this one here. This is a river, but from here I could hear the waterfall sound. But I couldn't see it. And then we walked down and finally came to the waterfall. So very beautiful, huh? Very mindful. My background, huh? It's not a wallpaper. I feel like Karura is the best place to visit for the taste of nature. Good breath, fresh breath, bird singing, rain droplets, fallen trees, old caves. It's the best place to be. Yeah, the caves. It was getting dark and it was getting a bit hard for me to record. Because, I needed the lighting, but I also wanted to keep you guys with me. But you could also ride a bicycle if you want to. There are quite more activities you can do. If you're not a fan of walking, you can take a bike. And that was the end of a Karura walk. So this is my nephew and I. It was his birthday and he's more of like a gaming person, and he requested that he wanted to be taken out to play games at village markets. And this is probably his fifth game, I guess. We're doing table tennis. Oh yeah. We are here again. We want to unbox my new gadget, my new equipment. So this is my tripod stand. I decided I want to have a tripod stand because I didn't have one. And I don't know the reason why I didn't have one though. I think I don't know. I don't know why I didn't have one. So it's my new gadget now. And I'm just trying to navigate how to use it. So I think I got it. That's how it looks like. And yeah, so I also bought something else. This is ring light. I really didn't think I needed a ring light, but I bought it anyway because the difference between lighting the difference between buying a tripod by itself and having a ring light added, it's like 500 Kenyan shillings. And I was like, let me just have it anyway, because why not? So it's a 12 USB ring light, 20 watts. The lights are warm, white, and cool. USB power supply and LED ring light. Yeah, it's an LED ring light. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh no. Yeah, so these are the quite different lights. There is the warm, white, and cool. That's warm. That's white. That's cool. Yeah, warm, white, and cool. It's really going to make my work easier. But I don't know why I didn't have the ring light anyway. Not even the ring light, because even now I don't know whether I need it that much. What I needed is the tripod stand. There, yeah, we're fixing the ring light up at the top. Got it. That is. So apparently you're not seeing the ring light at the top. Yeah, that's the phone holder spring. Everything is just finding out how it's supposed to work because I don't think it had a manual. But the guy told me he's gonna send me how I'm going to go about it if something was giving me a hard time. So I bet it's not something complicated. It's just fixing the bolts. Yeah, so that's how it should work, I guess. I think it would be better if I did put the phone that I'm using to record right at the stand so we can see exactly, practically, how it's working. The light is even reflecting, because there's the natural light, there's the ring light. So yeah, that's now the phone that I'm using to record. The lights on. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I've got my new baby, and yeah, thank you for unboxing it with me. Yeah, bye bye guys, see you some other time. And I love the box, it got good colors, very attractive. It's 12 USB ring light. Bye y'all, see you some other time. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit that subscribe bell button. Bye.